Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's got everyone talking. Why are US banks closing, and how can you protect your money right now? If you're concerned about your savings, you're not alone. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk numbers. The financial landscape is changing rapidly, and it's crucial to understand the implications. Did you know that over 500 banks have closed in the past few years? That's a staggering statistic. These closures are reshaping the way we think about banking. Economic shifts, online banking trends, and even the pandemic have all played a role. The convenience of online banking is undeniable, but it comes with its own set of challenges. But what does this mean for you and your hard-earned money? How can you navigate this evolving financial landscape to ensure your savings are secure? Here are the top 3 reasons banks are shutting their doors. Digital banking rise. Everyone's moving online. Traditional banks are struggling to keep up with the convenience of apps and online services. With just a few taps, customers can manage their finances from anywhere, anytime. Economic pressure, recession fears, inflation, and rising interest rates are squeezing banks' profitability. The economic landscape is becoming increasingly challenging, making it hard for banks to maintain their traditional business models. Changing consumer behavior. Many people are opting for credit unions or fintech solutions that offer better rates and lower fees. These alternatives are not only more affordable, but also more aligned with the modern consumer's expectations for quick and efficient service. So, what's the risk? When a bank closes, your money could be at risk. Although FDIC insurance protects deposits up to $250,000, the fear of losing access to your funds can be paralyzing. Imagine waking up one day and finding your bank has vanished. Here's how you can safeguard your money. Diversify your accounts. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your savings across multiple accounts, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one bank fails. Spread your savings across different banks or credit unions. Research your bank. Look for financial stability. Make sure the bank you choose is financially sound and has a good reputation. Check ratings and reviews before trusting your money with a bank. Consider credit unions. They can be a great alternative to traditional banks. They often offer better rates and more personalized service. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest financial news. Follow financial news and updates about your bank to stay ahead of any potential issues. This way, you can make informed decisions and protect your hard-earned money. Now that you know why banks are closing and how to secure your money, share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word and keep our communities informed. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Remember, your financial security is in your hands. Stay smart, stay safe, and always stay informed. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.